With AutoCurve, you can easily engrave on curved surfaces, such as the inner and outer sides of pendants or bangles, without complex setup. Now, let's take a look at how it works. Mount the curved bangle jig onto the flat working table of the CNC Magic Engraver. After installing the bangle jig, secure the curved bangle onto the jig. To prepare the engraving design, launch the MagicTablet app on the tablet and connect to the machine. Enter the work area size of the curved pendant. Select the size, then enter the text for engraving. Select the toolpath, then set the engraving speed, depth, hatching interval, and Z-axis clearance. For curved surfaces, a minimum Z-axis clearance of 3 mm is recommended. Select AutoCurve in the surface measurement options, then press Start Engraving to send the data to the machine. The AutoCurve feature measures the surface height of each character individually and automatically engraves along the curved surface. Next, repeat the same process on the inside of the bracelet. With the Magic Series and AutoCurve, you can achieve easy and precise engraving on curved surfaces.